Bonjour and welcome to JS Smart Academy. My name is Marco and today we will begin learning basic French. This lesson is perfect for beginners. Why learn French? French is spoken in more than 25 countries. It is one of the most beautiful and influential languages in the world. Learning French can help you with travel, education, and career opportunities. Bonjour. Hello, good morning. Bonsoir. Hello, good evening. Salut. Hi. Au revoir. Goodbye. À bientôt. See you soon. À plus tard. See you later. Now, repeat after me. Bonjour. Bonsoir. Salut. Please, repeat after me. Au revoir. À bientôt. À plus tard. Introducing yourself. Je m'appelle Marco. My name is Marco. Je m'appelle means my name is. Now you try. Je m'appelle. Je m'appelle. Well done. Let's learn how to ask, what is your name? In French, we would say, comment t'appelles-tu? Comment t'appelles-tu? Now you try. Comment t'appelles-tu? Use the informal tu when speaking to friends or peers of similar age. Now pay attention to this question. What is your name? Comment vous appelez-vous? I repeat. Comment vous appelez-vous? Now you try. Comment vous appelez-vous? You use the formal you, in French vous, when addressing someone older or in a position of authority. Let's try one more time. Comment vous appelez-vous? Well done! Let's learn some polite words. Pay attention to the pronunciation. Merci. Merci. Thank you. S'il vous plaît. S'il vous plaît. Please. Excusez-moi. Excusez-moi. Excuse me. Now try to say thank you. Well done. Merci. And now try to say please. Well done. S'il vous plaît. And now the last one. Excuse me. Yes. Excusez-moi. Well done. In French culture, politeness is very important. Always use these words. Let us practice. Bonjour, je m'appelle. Bonjour, je m'appelle. Play and pause if needed, and try to repeat as many times as you need. Let's repeat. Bonjour, je m'appelle. Well done. That means, hello, my name is. Now, let's repeat this question. Comment vous appelez-vous? Comment vous appelez-vous? Try again. Comment vous appelez-vous? That sounds great. You just said, what is your name? Comment vous appelez-vous? And now, the last part of our daily practice. Let's repeat. Merci. Merci. Do you remember what it means? Yes, it means thank you. Merci. Well done. This is lesson 1 of our French series. In the next lesson, we will learn numbers and simple conversations. Subscribe to JS Smart Academy to continue learning French with us. Part 2 coming soon. We're going to conduct a 3-day free masterclass and a 6-month paid course with nominal fees. For more details, contact JS Smart Academy and Research Center. Phone is +91 986 409 4913. Many thanks for your attention and see you next time.